How to set products expiration in Excel. Now look at the outcome. I see that the first item in stock is expired with format red color on cell. ICT share. If I want to add day and set items expire, this is real example. This column is number of days. And next highlight color if any item is expire. Now I remove the function on cells. First, I would like to find end date. Click on cell and press equals and use sum function. Next, type EDATE function and click on start date, comma, and type 0 after close parentheses. Next, comma, and click on days cell. After close parentheses and enter to show the end date. These column is showing the end date for inventory in stock. Let me explain you. This column is start date of this item. And there are 16 days for in stock. And here is the end date of this item expiration. Now I format this date. Next, I want to find the number of expiration days. Click on cell and press equals, and click on end date, minus, and type today function and enter. Select the cells and format to general. Now I would like to express you that with these result. The -3 is true, that because this item's start date is November 1st, 25. And duration has 16 days. Exactly that end date is November 17th, 25 is correct answer. And why this cell show -3? Check the calendar. Today is 20 and month is November. And this date is past 3 days. Here you see end date is 17. Next, make highlight on expiration items. First, select cells and click on conditional formatting. Click New Rule. And click on Use a Formula. Next, click on End Date. Remove a $sign. Minus, and type today function. Next, type less than sign and press number 7. After, click Format and choose color to show on cells. Now I need red color and click OK. Click OK again. Now look at the outcome. I see that the first item in stock is expired with format red color on cell. Okay, with that, find expiration item in Excel is done. Thanks.